The role of big tech in your investment portfolio, Amazon, Apple, and more. Big tech has become a dominant force in the world of investment, reshaping the financial landscape and influencing investment decisions across the globe. Companies like Amazon, Apple, Google, Alphabet Incorporated, Facebook, Meta Platforms Incorporated, and Microsoft have not only revolutionized the way we live and work, but have also become major components of many investors' portfolios. The ascendancy of big tech, a paradigm shift in investment. The 21st century has brought about a profound and revolutionary transformation in the world of investment, characterized by the meteoric rise of big tech companies. These tech giants, which once operated as scrappy startups in garages, have now emerged as trillion-dollar juggernauts that are not only redefining industries but also reshaping the global investment landscape. Their immense influence reaches far and wide, touching virtually every aspect of modern life and business. A technological advancement. The relentless march of technology has made the world more interconnected and data-driven than ever before. Big tech companies are at the forefront of this transformation, leveraging cutting-edge technologies to create scale and deliver innovative products and services. The way consumers shop, communicate, and access information has changed dramatically. Big tech firms have not only adapted to these shifts, but have often been the catalysts behind these changes, influencing consumer behavior on a global scale. Many big tech platforms thrive on network effects, where the more users they attract, the more valuable and indispensable their services become. Amazon, AMZN, a retail and cloud computing titan. Amazon, the brainchild of Jeff Bezos, commenced its journey in 1994 as a humble online bookstore. However, over the decades, it has undergone a remarkable metamorphosis, emerging as a multifaceted retail and technology behemoth. Today, Amazon boasts a market capitalization that frequently exceeds $1.5 trillion, solidifying its position as one of the most valuable companies on the global stage. What began as an online bookstore soon expanded into a one-stop shop for a staggering array of products, redefining the way people shop. The company's logistical prowess, speedy deliveries, and customer-centric approach have made it a dominant force in the world of online retail. Amazon Web Services, AWS, has emerged as the undisputed leader in cloud computing services, providing a backbone for countless businesses and organizations globally. Its extensive suite of cloud solutions has empowered enterprises to scale, innovate, and streamline their operations. Amazon Prime, the company's subscription service, offers not only expedited shipping, but also a vast library of digital content, including movies, TV series, and music. Apple, AAPL, pioneering innovation and ecosystems. Apple, founded by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne in 1976, it is synonymous with innovation and design excellence. The company has become a trailblazer in the tech industry, known for its iconic products such as the iPhone, iPad, Macintosh, and the Apple Watch. Apple has cultivated a devoted customer base and established itself as a formidable player in both hardware and software development. Apple's product lineup, characterized by its sleek design, intuitive user interfaces, and seamless integration, has set the benchmark for consumer electronics. The iPhone, in particular, has redefined the smartphone industry and remains a cornerstone of the company's success. Apple's ecosystem encompasses a harmonious interplay between hardware, software, and services. The seamless integration of devices, coupled with a vibrant app store and subscription services, has created an ecosystem that encourages customer loyalty and cross-device usage. Apple has strategically diversified into services such as Apple Music, Apple TV+, Apple Arcade, and the App Store. This diversification has not only augmented its revenue streams, but has also created new touchpoints with customers. Google, Alphabet Incorporated, the information hub of the Internet. Google, now a subsidiary of Alphabet Incorporated, was founded by Larry Page and Sergey Brin while they were pursuing their PhD degrees at Stanford University. The company, incorporated in 1998, swiftly emerged as a global tech giant with a mission to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. Google's search engine, with its PageRank algorithm, revolutionized the way people access information on the Internet. It quickly became the go-to search engine, an indispensable tool for virtually all online users. As Google expanded into various areas, including advertising through AdWords, mobile operating systems with Android, and cloud computing with Google Cloud, the company restructured. It established Alphabet Incorporated as a holding company to oversee its numerous subsidiaries and moonshot projects, enabling greater focus and accountability. Alphabet Incorporated has pioneered numerous ambitious projects under the umbrella of its X division, including self-driving car technology, Waymo, high-altitude internet balloons, Project Loon, and life sciences endeavors. These moonshot projects epitomize Google's commitment to innovation and its willingness to explore uncharted territories. Facebook, Meta Platforms, Incorporated, redefining social media and beyond. Meta Platforms, Incorporated, formerly known as Facebook, was founded by Mark Zuckerberg and his college roommates in 2004. The company set out to connect people and has since redefined social interaction, communication, and even the concept of a digital identity. Facebook, the eponymous platform, has become synonymous with social media, boasting billions of active users. It has transformed the way people communicate, share information, and connect with friends and family. Meta Platforms, Incorporated has expanded its reach through strategic acquisitions, including Instagram and WhatsApp. These acquisitions have not only broadened its user base, but have also diversified its product offerings. The acquisition of Oculus VR and the development of the Oculus Rift and Oculus Quest have positioned Meta Platforms, Incorporated at the forefront of the virtual reality (VR) and augmented reality (AR) industries with implications for gaming, communication, and beyond. Microsoft MSFT, a legacy of software and cloud computing. Microsoft, founded by Bill Gates and Paul Allen in 1975, has left an indelible mark on the technology industry. The company's Windows operating system, Office Suite, and cloud computing services have made it a stalwart in the world of enterprise software and IT infrastructure. Microsoft's Windows operating system and Office Productivity Suite have become staples in both the personal and business computing realms. The ubiquity of Windows PCs and Office applications has made Microsoft a household name. Microsoft's Azure cloud platform has emerged as a formidable competitor to Amazon's AWS. It provides a wide array of cloud services, including Infrastructure as a Service (IaaS) and Platform as a Service (PaaS), serving the needs of enterprises and developers. Microsoft's product portfolio extends to gaming, Xbox, professional networking, LinkedIn, and collaboration tools, Teams. This diversification allows Microsoft to reach a broad spectrum of users and businesses. In recent years, Microsoft has embraced open-source development, contributing to projects such as the Linux kernel and GitHub. This shift demonstrates the company's adaptability and willingness to collaborate with the broader tech community. Big Tech's ongoing evolution. The role of big tech in investment portfolios is no longer a mere consideration. It has become a central and defining aspect of modern investment strategy. The immense impact of companies like Amazon, Apple, Google, Alphabet Incorporated, Facebook, Meta Platforms Incorporated, and Microsoft transcends mere financial metrics. It embodies a profound shift in how we interact with technology, conduct business, and navigate the complexities of our increasingly interconnected world. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.